Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can stretch text on CapCut PC. Go to text and add in your default text and type in anything you want. Basically, I'm just going to type in "you're cute." Also going to change the font as well. You can use any font that you want. I'm also going to add it to like a white background. And I'm going to then change the color. You don't have to do the same thing as me precisely, but then go to position and size and turn off uniform scale, and then here you can stretch it like this way, or you can stretch it this way as well. I suggest when you scale the height, you're just going to adjust the line in between so that it doesn't look super awkward. But just basically do that. Maybe like have it on like a 9:16 instead. Oops. And for instance, you're done with scaling just the height and you want to scale it like up again, just turn on uniform scale and then resize it, and it's just going to scale it up. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!